everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate notification on MeetMe app. So let's get started. First, open your MeetMe application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Settings. Then tap on Settings. Tap on Notifications, which is under Account Settings. Then tap on the very first option, that is Notifications. And this is how you can activate notification on MeetMe app. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.